Okay, today I'd like to go through the box of Vulnhub, and the link for this box will be here. As you can see, the name is MHZ CXF. And to save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox. And as you can see, the Nmap scanning result can tell us there are two open ports. The first one is 22 for SSH and 80 for HTTP. Obviously, we need to do some enumeration for the 80 port. Let's open up our new tab and let's go to the target IP address. Oh, sorry, maybe there's some cache. So just default page of Apache 2. And also we can check the source code. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Nothing useful here. Okay, maybe we can try if the target has robots file. Robots. Okay, not found. And next what we can do is to use Nikto and specify the URL or IP address of a target. Also, the Nikto can give us some other results or information like architecture of a web server. Yeah, here this might be interesting. The Nikto has already got the file, which is notes.txt. So let's get it. Cool. Specify the lim. Okay. There are two sentences. The one is I should finish my second lab, and second I should delete the two files. Okay, so maybe we can get these two files. Let's call remb txt. Okay, so there should be, or possibly there, this is credentials for SSH. And also we can try another file, but not found. So maybe this information first stage is username and the latter part is the password. So let's try it. SH first stage and specify the, sorry, my tab is so awful. Okay, there's some cache we need to remove first. Paste in here and let's SH again. And let's paste the password. Copy the password and paste here. Okay, oh sorry, maybe we made the wrong copy. Let's do it again. Copy. Oh, sorry, I misspelled the username SSH first, not state, is stage. And target IP address and paste password in here. Now we successfully log in as first stage user. Let's change to bash shell. Okay, Yeah, we got, now we can get the user flag. Okay, so just keep it up and get the loot. I hate low privileges. And let's go to the home directory. So maybe we can go to another home directory. Okay. So what can do? Maybe we can sudo and paste password in here. No. Maybe we can. There is one directory. Paintings. Interesting. Painting. There's some images. There are 4 images. So we may download these images to our Kali Linux and to analyze them. Okay, so how to transfer or download these images? We can use Python. Go to our working directory and let's use the HTTP server module. Oh, sorry. We need to do, how to say, in another direction. Let's cancel. We can check whether there is a Python in the target. Yeah, we can set up the HTTP server, and then we can download these 4 files or images. First, we can get let's copy the file name because it's too long. No problem. And then we can do it again to the second image. We can copy this file name and paste it in here. No problem. And then is the third one. The Russian beauty. Okay, no problem. And the last one. Okay, we got all of these images from the target. We can list the content. So maybe these images has some hidden, have some, sorry, my bad, my my pronunciation, my speech is so bad. These images have some sort of hidden messages. So we can use the stack hide to the first one, but we do not know the passphrase. And we can use the stack seek, try to break or brute force this password. No? Could not find a valid passphrase. Okay, we can do the same for the second image. Frank also has some passwords, and we can use the seek Frank. No? And then we can the third one is Russian. No? Stack seek Russian. The same result. Okay, there's just one image left for us to make analysis. Let's take a hide, extract, specify SF parameter. The last one is, yes, spinning. No, we need to use stack seek. Yeah, finally we got we decrypt the image, and we can list the decrypted file, and maybe we can use this with cat spinning out. Yeah. Oh, I know should delete this, but I cannot remember it. Screw me. So this should be the username and password. So let's copy the password and switch our shell, and we can stop our HTTP server, and we can switch and paste the password of the MHZ user. Yeah, now we are logging as MHZ user, and maybe we can use the sudo and paste the password again. Yeah, we can run any command as root. So let's sudo bin bash. Now we are root, and we can go to the root directory. We got the final flag. Yeah, that's it. So this is the whole process I like to share with you for this box, which is MHZ. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And of course, my performance today is even worse, but I always keep on learning and improving myself. Thank you. Bye.